Tips for packing away. The best way to engage your child in packing away is to model that behavior yourself and make it fun, interesting, and definitely not a chore or a punishment. Just part of the routine, something that has to happen before something else can happen. For example, if your child has finished playing with some books or a puzzle, just remind them that it's time to finish and pack away, and you start helping them and showing them that it's okay and natural and fun to do this activity. They will jump on board after seeing this attempt, or after seeing this through yourself and realizing that it's just part of what happens. And a great way to make it even more enticing is to say, after we pack this away, then we're going to get out we're going to get a snack, or then we're going to go have a bath, something fun, or just a reminder that there is, something to look forward to after the child has packed away. The more the child sees this and sees you doing this, the more likely they are to do it themselves. Just remember, we don't aim for perfection. So your child may or may not leave items out or just attempt to pack away a little bit. Let that go and understand that while we're learning, we're not perfect, and just pack away the rest for them whilst making it a positive engagement, and keep it up. And don't, some days there might be times where you just don't want to pack away. That's okay too. We're not aiming for getting things 100% every single time, but definitely build it into your routine and make it fun and enjoyable, and you'll see your children jump on board in no time. I hope this tip's been helpful. Take care.